Excuse me po.
Yes,
woman.
Hello, Doc Jean.
Yes.
Ay, may tatanong lang po ako.
Okay, sige.
Doc Jean, I saw a post on social media na nawala daw po lahat ng acne scars niya in just one session. Possible po ba yun, Doktora?
Parang hindi. No? Actually, mag-i-improve siya. No? With a lot of treatments nowadays, yes, with one session, napakaganda ng pwedeng maging result. No? May mga combination treatments tayong tinatawag. No? Combination with lasers, or mga tinatawag na radio frequency, no? Fractional radio frequency, microneedling, growth factors, exosomes, PRP, marami yan. No? Pwede natin i-combine lahat. They can see remarkable improvement. Even yung mga biostimulators na tinatawag, like yung mga profilo. No? So, lahat yon we can do a combination and you can see remarkable improvement. But with one session, hindi mo lahat mag-i-improve as in flat, 100%. No? So, you can get mga 30 to 40% improvement per session. And of course, depende sa severity, you might need more sessions. And of course, depende rin yan. Baka naman yung sinasabi niyang acne scar, napaka-konti lang. So, with one session, baka nag-improve na maganda.
Thank you so much po, Dr.
Thank
Jean.
you!